crash program is started with the year 1990 to 1947. That is the start of Khilafat movement. Today's syllabus coverage is about the political development 1900 to 19, then 24, 1927 to 39, 40 to 47. Part B, section 3 key topics. Early problem of the new states, Zia Bhutto 1971 to 77, fall of Dhaka 71 is also the part of Zia Bhutto government, and actually the background is the election 1970. Foreign relation 1947 to 1999. Political development, there are some certain important topics which is laid in 1900 to 1919, Minto Maulia reforms, Lucknow Pact, Montague, Chelmsford reforms, and two events are there. One is Rowlatt Act and Amrit's massacre. That is, you people are very much well aware about that. Khilafat movement, reason for the start, key event during the Khilafat movement. One of them is Hijrat movement, Chora Chori event, non-cooperation movement. Yes, why it is failed? Reason is, number one, Ataturk abolished the caliphate in 1924, Hindu-Muslim unity fractured after Chora Chori Chura, and then Muslim League was sidelined by Congress. After that, there is again political development which is started 27 to 1939. Simon Commission, then Nehru Report, and in the answer of Nehru Report, Quaid-e-Azam formulated his 14 points. Then Roundtable Conference. Before the start of the Roundtable Conference, there was Allahabad address given by Allama Iqbal, which is very, very important. Then government of, and there was a three series of Roundtable Conferences, 1930, 31 and 32, all are failed. Next is Government of India Act 1935, again road to the independence. Actually this is the milestone for the creation of Pakistan. 1940 Lahore Resolution, 42 Cripps mission, and again Quit India movement, 46 cabinet mission plan. All mission and all plans were failed. That is the reason the destination of Pakistan was possible. Again 3rd June plan, actually this is the independence plan, how subcontinent may be divided. Early problems of the new state 1947 to 48, these are the very, very much important points. Refugee crisis, canal water dispute, division of assets, princely state and administration. Then Zia Bhutto era, the key reforms, yes, land reforms, nationalization, new education policy, Shimla Agreement, this is a ceasefire agreement after the war of 1971, nuclear program, that is the main credit of Zia Bhutto government, reasons for the failure of Bhutto government, political repression, military intervention, PNA movement. Again, downfall, the reason of 71 of separation of East Pakistan, political causes, economical causes, military main one of the main important point is that geographical difference between the two parts, East Pakistan and West Pakistan. Foreign relation consists of Pakistan and Iran, Pakistan and USA. When we will talk about the Pakistan and Iran, RCD, which were renamed as ECO, 65, 60, 71 cooperation. And then USA CT sent to agreement, that is quite important. And you will see at the right side the exam focus for mark questions. You can see how can you people will cover 7 marks question, 14 marks question. All are in this video. You can upload after the lecture. After that, you will move toward next. This is the yes, I am going to tell about the next strategy, which is about the next program, which is related to the exam strategy. And if you people have a more question, you can come in the comment box and you people will tell me the real problems which you are going to face. And if you people will do that, I will conduct our live session for you people. But do focus on these questions, 4 mark question, 7 mark question and 14 mark question. Hope you will understand this exam preparation point, and might be possible I may successful to giving you the quick recap of all these points. Thank you so much, and please give me comments how much you have covered in these slides.